I'm going to showcase one of my band's songs. I think I'm going to go for... No, I'm not going to go for that. I'm going to go for a song called Rain. Record this if you can. Record it. This one's for any Save Arcade fans in the house. Any Save Arcade fans? About 6 people, brilliant. Right, goes like this. One, two, three, four. I'll be there to make your knees weak. Believe in me, I'll be there. The guarantee, I'm the one to take the mess. I'm the one to clean your stress. I'll be there to have your back. I'll be everything you like. And I feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on me. And I feel the rain. And I feel the rain, raindrops on my face. I felt something I lost faith in. My senses fell over and over and over and over again. I'm not dumb, I feel the rain, liberate me, take my pain. I'll be back another day. Please preserve, keep it clean. And all that we know is never know, we never know rain. And all that we know is never know, we never know rain. It's never know, we never know rain. And I feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on me. And I feel the rain, and I feel the rain. Feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on me. I feel the rain, I feel the rain coming down on you. And I feel the rain, and I feel the rain. And sometimes your everything could mean nothing to you at all. And since my departure, I thought that my faith would not restore. And no one can safely say that I am on the other side. A new life before me when I thought that I had died inside. And I feel the rain, I feel the rain. And I feel the rain. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be there to make your knees weak. Thank you.